Hello everyone, my name is Mandy and today I want to show you how to create a tracking link. So when you log into your MIF back office, you're going to click on the tab called links. Here you will find all your affiliate links. So anything that says lead capture is considered a capture page. If someone clicks on your link, enters their email address, they'll show up on your leads tab and become a lead. However, the point of my video today is I want to show you how to direct some of these capture pages to a sales page without a timer. So capture pages 1, 2, and 3 all direct you to a VSL with a timer. So it'll make sense in a little bit here. Let me just click on capture page 1. So when your prospect clicks on your capture page, they're going to see a video. They're going to watch the video. They're going to click here. They're going to enter their email address. So I'm just going to do a test. Watch the video. So you'll see that it takes me to a sales page with a timer. See the timer up here? So this timer allows them to watch the video for 4 minutes. Once they watch that video for 4 minutes, a button will appear below here. Now, if you want that button to appear right away, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to come back up to here again. And I'm going to go to my tracking links tab. Okay, and then I'm going to select my funnel. So when you click on the drop down, it's going to show you capture pages 1 through 5. So as I mentioned, number 1, 2, and 3 all direct you to the VSL with the timer. So for today's video, we want to show you how to direct them to the VSL with no timer. So you're going to click this drop down button, click VSL with no timer, create your tag. So today I'm going to do, let's just say Facebook. So this link will be used for Facebook. So you can track your leads and your sales. So create your link. Once you create your link, you'll scroll down to find the link that you just created. Oh, sorry, I must have passed it here. Facebook. Okay. So now this is the link you will use for Facebook, but I'm just going to click on it right now just to show you. When I click on it, and then I opt into the form, I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to enter my email address. Watch video. Now it's going to take me to a VSL with no timer. Okay, so you'll know that because you'll see this button here, and this will take them right to the checkout. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach us at support@multipleincomefunnel.com. Okay, and have a great day. Bye for now.